Hello, this is Muhammad Shafiuddin. Welcome to Code Dog. This tutorial is about uh, setting up a Java environment for coding in Java. My nephew Ryan and Rania, Ryan is 7 years old, Rania is 6 years old. They wanted to learn coding, so I'm making this video. I might have to make more than one video, but in this video, I will show how to install Eclipse. The that's the first step that you need to do. You need IDE to code anything. I mean, in Java. So I'm going to do this in Eclipse. So first thing you need is to download Eclipse. So go to the eclipse.org website, eclipse.org, and you just type it in the web browser eclipse.org like I just did here, and then you go to the download right here on the top right, and you click on that. Then it will uh, have, since I have a Windows version of my operating system, so it will give me the download for Windows. If you have any other operating system, then you can go to the download packages. Then here you have option for Mac operating system or Linux. Since I have Eclipse, I'll just download here. Click on the download, then it'll ask you to choose one of these downloads. So I'll just click on this one on the top and then start downloading. I'll just save this on my desktop. So just save it, and now it's downloading it. Now it's done downloading. So I got to open this file. You can open this file two ways. I can just click here. This will open this file like I'm doing it now. So I just double clicked it and it will open the file. So just waiting on this thing to open. Okay, now you see Eclipse installer. So it will open the installers. And the other way is that if you miss seeing here, you can just go to the file location and then you can do it from there as well. So right now it's saying installing. Uh, it takes a minute. So this is opening as installer. So here, after once it's open installer, you pick Eclipse IDE and then you click on install. I'm not going to install this. Just make sure you have these two things check marked, because this will create a shortcut on your desktop. So you can just open directly from your desktop. So now, since I already have it installed, I'm not going to install it. I'm just going to close this. I'm going to open the IDE directly so that you can see once you install, you have a option to open that. So right now, I'll show you how this looks. So once you have installed it, so I have installed in my external drive. That's why I have to look in my external drive. So I saved it here. So you get this icon on your desktop. You just double click on that, then it will open up the window showing that it's trying to open that. And I'm going to name this workspace as Ryan Rania. You can name anything you want. Since I'm doing this for Ryan and Rania, I'll just uh, name this as Ryan Rania, and I'm going to launch it. So now this has opened up. It will open up like this. Okay, now you can create your basic program by clicking on this one, but you can close this one. I'll show you the other way. So just close this welcome screen by clicking on X like I just did, and go to the file, create new Java project. You're gonna name this, I'm gonna name this project as demo, and then finish. And in this project, I'm gonna click this demo that I just created and create new and package. I'm going to name this package as com.shafi and finish. So this will create a new package now. In this package, uh, I'm going to create a new class. You can go to the source, click on source and click new, right click and click new. Once you, anything that I'm doing now from demo from the beginning is when you right click on this, when it will give you the option what you want to do. So I'm creating a class now. So I'm going to create a new class. I'm going to name this class demo uh, first demo. So the first letter should be capital, first demo. Okay, and then I'm going to have the main. The main will run the program. So if you don't have a main, you're not going to run the program. So I'm going to check this public static void main string. So you click finish, then this will create a class for us. I don't need this to do stuff. I'll just take this off. And now let's do a little uh, basic programming. I can just print a statement and see whether it's working properly or not. To do that, to print any statement, you say system dot out dot print ln. So this will print a line, whatever you put in this quotation marks. So I'll say hello world. So this will print hello world on the screen. So now I'm gonna control S to save this, or you can do like this, right click here, or you can say uh, you can save by right clicking here, save. Since I already saved it, the option is not highlighted. If I would have typed something, and now if I say save, the option is open. Since I don't need this now, I'll take this off. So now, like this, I can say save, it will save it, and now I can run as Java application. Um, I can right click this and say run as Java application, or I can run just pressing this play button right here. So this is saying hello world. So this is the first program. Now, similarly, uh, you can say you can create a variables. You create variables like this. If you want to create a variables for numbers, you say int. You can name anything number. Uh, you can say number one. So you can have number one as two, and you can initialize int number two. You can give any value. I'll give three right now. So you can say int sum to add these two numbers. So add these two numbers is you say number one plus number number two. So now what it's doing is I have created a variable called number one like this here, and I give value two. You can give any values, three, four, five, whatever you like. And I created another variable called number two, and I have assigned a value of three, and then I mean not sum e, I mean sum. So I created another variable called sum. This will add number one and number two, and then when I print it again, to print this we had to do system dot out dot print ln, and you print just this sum. So it will print the sum. It will add those two numbers and it will print the value of those two numbers. Now I can do it save, like right click on this. I can say save here like this, and then I can run as Java application. So now you see hello world and it added two numbers. So this is how you do the math. So this is the basic. Going further, we will see if I make more videos, you get to see more stuff. Hope this is exciting. Thank you for watching.